Hi, today I will show you how to open the Samsung A24 5G. So we open from the back side first of all. So let's start. So first of all we need a special liquid to open the phone back. So it take like 1 minute to properly go in, and then after we can open with any opener, which is the this kind of the opener if you have, so you can try from the back side. Okay, so we can start from opening from the one side, as you can see. So slowly we go from upward, or you can go to the downward as well, so no problem. So you can try anywhere. So you can as you see is opening some of them, so trying more. So let's open it all of them. If you are stuck here, you can add the more liquid on it, so it's more make a soft to easy to open for you. The next step is we need to open the all screw from the phone. So let's start from that.
Lights went down when you feel lost in your shadow. Don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world. Broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
You need to open the camera lens frame. So we have the sum of two of them there. So next step is take out the SIM tray. Make sure have to take first before you open the side frame from the screen frame. So we start from the easy way. From the SIM side you can open the frame. Because the side lock is very harder.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow.
So we need to replace the screen. So we need to disconnect first of all the battery and the main stick.
You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
Take out the motherboard. First of all, we take from the small board, which is install the There's a charging port, vibrator. So we can open the screw from the bottom and disconnect so we can open from the top as well. Screwdriver. So we need to disconnect from the board, from the frame, and also disconnect the wires, antenna wires. As you can see, we can open easily. So we also disconnect the small board as well. So you can open the small board as well. As you see, we open it. So before you need to open the battery, you have to put the special liquid again. So there is a liquid. So you can put all four sides. It's make it easy because this is a special glue. Is mean like if you have the glue, so this liquid go inside and they make like easy to peel out everything. So you can peel out the paper, and you have to push from your side, so battery will come out. So the battery is a bit harder glue, so we put in the machine. This is called a heat pad. So we put adjust the heat like 90, and we put the time like 3 to 5 minutes. So we can leave for only 2 minutes. If the heat is only 100%, you can leave only 2 minutes. If the heat is like start from now like 40, 50, 60, so you have to leave that 3 to 5 minutes until it go warm. So it's more easy to peel out. So we can peel out. As you see, it's easy to peel out when you heat up and then put this liquid as well. So now we can connect the new frame. So before you get a new frame, you have to check the vibrator, speaker, and the volume button from the side. So you can disconnect your first of all your vibrator, also ear speaker. So you can take out the ear speaker. Okay. Also you can take out the volume button. That's it. So you need to connect this thing to the new frame. So we need to connect the back to the thingy. First of all, the vibrator inside. Also we need to connect the steel paper. Steel is like a steel, so you can connect this one. Speakers, your volume button, to skip this step. Main strip. So connect the frame. So you can turn on the phone and you can check. Yeah, so it's a perfectly installed now. So you just need to screw it back, put the glue side and close it back. So all done.